Patient, good morning, doctor. I've been experiencing persistent headaches lately, and it's starting to worry me.
Doctor, good morning. I'm sorry to hear about your headaches. Let's discuss this further. When did they start, and can you describe the type of pain you're experiencing?
Patient, the headaches began about 2 weeks ago. It's a constant, throbbing pain on the left side of my head.
Doctor, I see. Have you noticed any specific triggers or patterns associated with these headaches, changes in your routine, stress, or any other factors?
Patient, it seems to happen more when I'm stressed, but it's been fairly consistent regardless of my activities.
Doctor, stress can indeed contribute to headaches. Have you had any changes in your sleep patterns or any recent illnesses?
Patient, my sleep has been a bit disrupted lately, and I had a mild cold a few weeks back, but that cleared up.
Doctor, disrupted sleep and recent illness could be relevant. Let's schedule some tests to rule out any underlying causes. In the meantime, try to manage stress through relaxation techniques and ensure consistent sleep.
Patient, that sounds reasonable. What kind of tests are you thinking of?
Doctor, we'll start with a blood test to check for any infections or abnormalities. Depending on the results, we might consider imaging tests like an MRI to get a closer look at your head.
Patient, okay. I'll get the blood test done. I hope it's nothing serious.
Doctor, it's important not to jump to conclusions. We're just exploring possibilities at this stage. Once we have the test results, we'll have a clearer picture.
Patient, thanks, doctor. I appreciate your thorough approach. Is there anything else I should be doing in the meantime?
Doctor, keep a headache diary noting when they occur, their intensity, and any accompanying symptoms. It will help us identify patterns. Also, make sure to stay hydrated and maintain a regular eating schedule.
Patient, will do. I'll keep track of everything. Thanks for your guidance, doctor.
Doctor, you're welcome. We'll work together to find the cause and the best course of action for your headaches. If you have any concerns in the meantime, don't hesitate to reach out.
Patient, I will. Thanks again, doctor.